Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is the first video for 2020. And what am I doing? I'm changing a toilet seat. Stop recording. Alright, I'm back in here. This is one of the wood toilet seats. It's lasted really pretty long here. The only problem is this one here rotted through and then broke. So we're gonna do the thing on this one. Just need a screwdriver. Set it back the other way. Then you got a plastic or rubber nut on the bottom. It's not gonna let go. And this time I used a driver and I got a flat tip. Puppy out of here quicker. Alright, you know, plastic. It is rusty. Okay, so it takes care of that one. Okay. See, again, it's aluminum, so, or cast aluminum, but it survived. This one survived okay. I prefer it with the bar across it. Let's see what the new one looks like. Got it at Lowe's, Aqua Source brand. And I've decided I like the wood. So another thing you gotta take into consideration is you got water in here and it's evaporating all the time. So when you leave the top down, the water can't go. The moisture rises, right? Yep, it's the same. But yeah, they're pretty much the same, almost identical. Got the same, pretty much the same hinges, and pretty much the same seat pads as the other one, and they've also got the same securing screws to it. Those look like metal. Those might even be metal hinges this time instead of aluminum. Doesn't hurt to make sure these screws here are tight. Now, keep in mind, you do have oval toilets, and you have round toilets. This is considered a round. He's gonna sit up just a little higher than the toilet seat does. Huh. Actually really long, really big Phillips head. I think I got it small enough. I think my screw tip on my. Okay. Take these, put them under your. Those. Just screw in there. Screw in this one. You gotta go underneath. Get these. Over the lump. Yeah, the head. Nope, you're not fitting in there. Doggone. Stop recording. Alright, let me a larger fill up this time. You can actually hold the nut. There you go. Very nice. You can actually hold this by hand. Or once it's here for a while, of course, it's gonna. Okay, here we go. Got a little bit of, just have a little bit of play, but. Well, darn you. I'm not playing nice. Playing nice now. Okay, pull it over here. B. There we go. Over here. There we go. Okay, here we go. Your toilet seat. Yep. I was saying, sometimes they're loose. So this is, so that's loose. Stop recording. I'm not going to use the drill on that. I'm might as well strip it out. So, number 2 screw. Oh, terrific. Nuts. It's stripped out. It's tight. It's tight. Let's check this. Alrighty. That makes me mad there. It's stripped out. Yep, she stripped out on me. Oh, so I might get another screw for it. That's not cool. Hey, 20 bucks for a freaking toilet seat. Yep, 20 bucks for a toilet seat. And it's stripped out. So, what was this made in? October. Probably made overseas. Yeah, made in China. So, but anyway, that's how you install it. I gotta find a longer screw for that. Nah, that sucks. Okay, well, there we go. That's one project done for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next Around the House. Stop recording.